Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Elhamdülillahi Rabbil alemin. Vessalatu vesselamu ala seyyidil mursalina ve hatemen nebiyyina Muhammedin sallallahu aleyhi ve sellem. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi mineşşeytanirracim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. By grace of Allah Jalla Shanahu, we are starting today the series of the lectures for Quranic Arabic grammar. Okay, grammar knowledge is very much important for learning a language. The grammar means sarfu nahv. Our objective is that we can understand the Quran, we can understand the ahadith of the Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also we are showing more our dedication in our everyday salah. Okay, in our everyday salah is also in Arabic language. As much as we are familiar about this language, so inshallah our recitation will be quality recitation. So we will maximum getting the blessing from the Quran, from the ahadith of the Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also inshallah it will help to improve the dedication or khushu or khuzu in our 5 times prayers. Today we are talking only about some introduction to why we are learning Arabic grammar. I have already recorded one lecture, which if that lecture is more than duration is more than 1 hour. It is also my YouTube channel. This lecture name is Introduction of Arabul Quran. Yani Introduction of Arabul Quran. I will recommend that all persons should listen so that they will motivate about the learning of the Arabic grammar. So for the little bit we do the introduce today, the first ayat we are talking in, this ayat is revealed in Surah Yusuf. This ayat is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan عربيا لعلكم تعقلون إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون. Indeed, we have sent it down as Arabic Quran that you might understand. Allah sent the Quran, Arabic Quran, so that you might understand. So how our understanding is possible? If we are more familiar about the language. Also, when we are starting anything, so sometime we are little bit worried. Can I do it? It is a hard job, it is difficult for me. So for that, for human being, Allah make a very encouragement. This encouragement Allah mentioned in ayat is in Surah Al-Qamar. In Surah Al-Qamar, this ayat is repeated 4 times. This ayat is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. وَلَقَدْ يَفَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. And we have certainly made the Quran easy. Easy for remembrance. So if there any who will remember, one translation of the zikr is remembrance. And we have certainly made the Quran easy for remembrance. So if there any who will remember. There is another translation, they have zikr for the zikr advice. And we have made the Quran easy to understand. But is there anyone who would pay attention? And we have made the Quran easy to understand. But is there anyone who would pay attention? In this ayat, basically there are the two parts. One part is concerned with Allah Jalla Shanahu. وَلَقَدْ يَفَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ. Indeed, we have made easy this Quran for understanding, for remembrance. And the second part is the question. فَهَلْ If there anyone فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ, who can get it? Remembrance. Who can get it? Advice. In that way, in this ayat, there are two parts. One part, Allah already make easy this Quran for remembrance, for understanding. So now Allah is giving the announcement. If any person is like to do this thing, to mashallah, we are the persons inshallah. For that we will get the benefit of this thing. We will try to understand the Quran and try to remember the Quran as much as in a beautiful way. When Allah is giving the encouragement, it is a great encouragement. With Allah is saying make easy, so inshallah it will be easy for everyone. But only thing is determination and dedication if needed. After that, I mentioned there are two ahadith of the Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These ahadith are also giving a great encouragement for that. The first hadith is, Inna Allah yarfa'u bihazal kitabi aqwaman wa yada'u bihi akharin. This hadith is mentioned in Sahih Muslim. Inna Allah yarfa'u bihazal kitabi aqwaman wa yada'u bihi akharin. Indeed, Allah elevates through this book, bihazal kitab. Allah elevates the people with this book, means Quran, and also degrades others by it. Allah elevates the people with the help of this Quran and also degrades them. Basically, those people which are act upon the Quran, they follow the ways of the Quran in their life, Allah will elevate them in this world and also in the hereafter. And those people which are neglecting the commandments which are mentioned in the Quran, neglecting the hadayat of the Quran, those people are degraded in this world and in the hereafter. The other beautiful hadith I mentioned here, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. It is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari. Khairukum. Khair is here superlative degree. The best among you. The best among you, man ta'allama al-Qur'an, who learns Qur'an, wa 'allamahu, and who teaches Qur'an. Yani the best of you are those people who learn the Quran and teaches the Quran. So mashallah, everybody like to become best. How we can become best? So we have to follow that type of the prescription which is prescribed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They are telling the best among you is that who will learn the Quran and who is teaches the Quran. These things are for the encouragement. We can start it. So inshallah, these lectures, next lecture I will record the first lecture of the Arabic grammar. But these lectures are just like a brick. Brick means if you are not, first lecture is not properly understanding, the second lecture is little bit difficult to understand. I will request, please listen those lectures in a sequence way so that you can follow the flow of the language. Okay, learning of the language is dedication is needed. And also when you listen my lectures, so please try to make your notes so that in one paper when you're writing, so in that way the grasp and the understanding and the comprehension will be more better. Also when we have to do any type of the work, so we have to also ask from Allah, Allah will help us. Without Allah's help, we cannot do it in a proper way. I have wrote few du'as here today, so that during this work when we are doing, so we always ask from Allah. This dua is in Surah Taha in the Quran. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Rabb, increase my knowledge. Only Allah can help us to increase our knowledge. Always when we have to start the study, so please make a habit. Okay, we have to say, Rabbi zidni ilma. After that, there is another dua. It is in Surah Shu'ara. Rabbi habli hukman wa alhikni bis salihin. Ki Allah, grant me wisdom. Wa habli, Rabbi habli hukman. Ay Allah, grant me the wisdom. Wa alhikni bis salihin. And join me with the righteous people. Bis salihin. So that I will also included in the salihin, righteous people. First we are asking from Allah, Allah will increase our knowledge. After that we are asking which knowledge we are getting. Allah give us me wisdom for that. I can get the wisdom for that. So what if our target is that we will be included in salihin. Those people are pious people, we should be categorized or included in that group. Very good dua. MashaAllah, this dua in Rabbi habli hukman wa alhikni bis salihin. The last dua is Rabbi yaffir wa la tu'affir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi yaffir وَلَا تُعَفِّرْ وَتَمِّمْ بِالْخَيْرِ. My Rabb, make easy and don't make difficult and complete it nicely. My Rabb, make easy. This project make easy for me and don't make difficult and complete nicely. To try to share this link with the other people so that the maximum people can get the benefits. If you are not clear for any point, you can write in the comments, so then I will try to modify, try to improve that thing. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.